The first two pages are just your standard, you've already read these pages. They are for page 3 and 4, where you are going to record and show what you know. On page 5, we are going to work on what's called a homemade barometer. So we've been working on clouds and know that clouds are made of moisture. So here is a way that you can figure out how much moisture is in the air. It's called a barometer. So if you've got these materials and this sounds fun to you, go ahead and make it. Take a picture of it so that I can see what you did. Bonus points if you take a picture of your homemade barometer and check it out. This next one is a little tricky, so I'm going to spend some time explaining. You are going to come up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjectives. You can pick one noun or you can do like 7 nouns. It's up to you. 7 verbs, 7 adverbs, and 7 prepositional phrases. And then you're going to mix them all up and come up with 5 sentences. Let me show you what I mean. So, if one of my adjectives was smart, my noun was children, the verb, remember that's the action word, was work, excitedly, and then the prepositional phrase is just where are you? Are you under a desk? Are you at home? Okay. So it would sound like this. Smart children work excitedly at home. That's it. You're just using these things to create a nice, complete sentence. They can be super silly if you want them to be. Mr. Meisner excitedly shaves his hairy head at home. Whatever you want to say, go for it. Come up with some silly ones. Make me laugh today. All right, moving right along. This next one is awesome. I think it's super cool. You're going to do a super cool name design here. You're going to tell me how many letters are in your name. That's going to become your denominator. And then you're going to say blank out of blank letters are vowels and blank out of blank letters are consonants. Let me show you what it looks like. Here's a sample. So this person's name was Marcy. She drew her name. Looks like that cool letter font. She had 5, so 1/5 of her letters are vowels and 4/5 are consonants. Looks pretty cool. If you're like, man, this assignment's so fun, you can actually do it for more people. You could do it for every member of your family. You could think of kids in our class. You could do whatever you wanted and come up with some extras. You don't have to fill this whole thing out. You could just do it for the people in your family or your class or whoever. However many you feel like doing is fine with me. That's all for today. Have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you on Seesaw. Be on the lookout for 2 other assignments. We've got our field trip today and a fun math assignment.